Hey everyone, today's November 22nd, 2020, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And it is really weird picking up this camera today. I haven't made a video on this channel for almost 5 months now. And this is the longest I have not made a video on this channel in the last 3 years. The longest break I took before this last 5 months was maybe 2 or 3 weeks at most. So it's really strange picking up the camera, but I feel like I'm ready to make videos again and give you guys awesome content like before. So the longest break I ever took, except for this last 5 months, was maybe 2 or 3 weeks. And it's really weird picking up this camera. I have to get used to filming again, but I took the last 5 months off to take a break for myself. And I do love cars. I love my BRZ, modifications, car meets, and so on. But I also have other hobbies as well, and other things I wanted to focus on in the last 5 months. And now that I took this break, I'm ready to make awesome content for all of you. So today is Sunday, and tomorrow I'm actually getting a new modification installed on my BRZ. The first new modification I've had in the last 5 months, and it's actually a big modification, and I'm excited to share that with all of you. So we'll head down to the garage in just a moment, and I haven't really drove my BRZ that much in the last pretty much the year, to be honest. I've been working at home because of the coronavirus, and me and my girlfriend actually caught the virus 2 weeks ago, and it was honestly pretty intense for us. We were actually really sick for a while, but we're both doing great now. So for me, making videos makes me do more things with my BRZ. I feel more obligated to go to car meets, do things to the car, and give you guys awesome content. Then because I took the last 5 months off, and with the coronavirus, closing a bunch of car meets, and not as many things happened this year in regards to the car community. So honestly, I haven't drove my car that much. I probably put about 1,000 miles on my car since January of this year. So the last 11 months, I put less than 1,000 miles on my BRZ. So we'll head down to the garage right now, and I want to share with you guys what I have planned for my BRZ and for the channel, and what new modification I'm getting installed on my car tomorrow. My BRZ is filthy right now. I haven't got a car wash in about 2 weeks, and the car is so dirty. Well, let's get this video started with a cold start. Alright guys, so I'm going to get a car wash in a minute here. I want to talk about what I have planned for the channel and for the BRZ. So right now my BRZ is exactly the same as it was 5 months ago. I still have no side skirts on the car right now, which I will be getting new ones. No side markers as of right now, but I will be getting the carbon fiber ones. It's a replacement for the light here. It's this full carbon fiber, so it'll match my Cybon wide carbon fiber fenders. Other than that, the aero I like so far. I'm gonna keep this front lip. It honestly does look beautiful. It really makes the car stick out from other BRZs, FRS, and 86s. I've never seen anyone else with this front lip, and it does make the front end look really aggressive. So we'll do a quick walk around, then I'll talk about the modification I'm getting for the BRZ tomorrow. So going around, I still have my same wheels, my dream wheels, my work emotion CRQ on these. They're 18 by 9.5, but 38 offset. Tires are 255, 35 by 18s. And they're honestly in perfect condition with the red work center cap. And that fitment with my carbon fiber Cybon wide fenders is perfect in the front. No rub whatsoever, and it is literally perfect. Look at that. It's functional and looks great. So right now, no side skirts. In the back here, I'm gonna keep this Legsport carbon fiber ducktail wing. Absolutely love that carbon fiber wing. Gonna keep these tail lights as well. These are the Valenti carbon fiber, if you can see there, the tail lights here. They look beautiful. They're my favorite Valenti style tail lights. And in the back here, I've had this diffuser for almost 3 years now. Very subtle, does look good, but like I said before, I want to get a more aggressive one to match my front lip and my new side skirts I will be getting. And I also have my Valenti 4th brake light there, which also looks awesome. I turned the car on just now so you guys can see these. The carbon fiber looks awesome, and the 4th brake light looks great as well. And I still have my VLAN headlights. Still in perfect condition, they work great. So my exhaust setup, same as before. I have my NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust with the burnt titanium tips. I have my JDL unequal length header. I have my HKS dual resonated front pipe. If you guys heard that cold start when I was in my garage, it didn't sound right. So about 5 months ago, I brought my BRZ to my buddy Tony's shop. Hey, sorry guys, I had to go back in my car. It's pretty cold outside, so I wanted to go back in. So I went to my buddy Tony's shop. His shop is Tony Motive Performance. Last time I was at his shop, he installed my dual resonated front pipe. And when he was inspecting my whole exhaust setup, he said my JDL unequal length header has a leak in it. And he explained to me that that leak in my header, it could be fixed, but because it's in the flex pipe, it would be a couple $100 to get it fixed. I might as well get a new header because the price will be almost the same. So the new modification I'm getting installed on my BRZ tomorrow is a new header for my car, which I'm actually really excited about, because for the past 3 years of ownership, I've had this JDL unequal length header. I bought it brand new, and it's been great. It really has. The unequal length header, that Subaru rumble you get, it sounds amazing. The first day I got this header installed, and I made a whole video about it. I'll put it in the description down below. I was so excited first driving it. I got it installed, my first drive, it sounded amazing. I remember I was freaking out because it sounded so good, and the torque dip on my BRZ was completely eliminated. So I wanted to try something new here, and I've had unequal length header on my car, like I said, for the past 3 years. And I ended up going with a new equal length header, and it's actually a custom header that was made by Tony at his shop. So the custom header that Tony made me is beautiful. He made it from scratch and it looks so good, and I know it sounds great because I know other people that he's made it for. He finished making the new header 2 days ago, and he sent me some updated pictures of it, and it looks beautiful. And I'll post a couple pictures right now so you can see exactly what my new equal length header looks like. Like I said, I've heard this header in person. It sounds amazing. And also, when he made this header, he actually got it dyno tuned, so you can see exactly what the header does to the torque dip and exactly what it does with the power of the BRZ. And I don't think I'm gonna post that in this video, but when I get it installed tomorrow, I'll put all the dyno numbers on the screen then. All right, well, my engine is super dirty. I have to clean this all out really soon as well. And if you can see down there, my JDL header, I'm gonna miss this. The unequal length header sound, like I said, sounds amazing, but I'm ready for something new. So my most recent videos 5 months ago, I was talking about getting a new car for my channel. I was debating on getting a 2020 Supra, but with the coronavirus, me not driving my car, with me and my girlfriend getting the virus, I wasn't driving that much and I wasn't making videos, so I really wasn't ready to get a new car then. And now that I was making videos, I'm ready to get a new car. And with the announcement of the 2022 BRZ, I really want to get that for the channel. I want to have my 2015 BRZ and the 2022 BRZ on my channel, do modifications with both of them, and make awesome content for all of you. Don't get me wrong, I do love the new Supra. I have a couple friends that have them and they're great cars, but I do want to wait for the BRZ because, well, first because my channel is based off my 2015 BRZ and I want to keep the BRZ content going. And second, the new Supra doesn't come in manual transmission, and I know the automatic transmission with that car is amazing. It's fast, and with the power it has, it feels great. But for me, I want a manual transmission car, 50-50 weight distribution, just like the BRZ. It's naturally aspirated, and with the new horsepower and torque, it's gonna feel awesome. And I can't wait till the car comes out. We already know the aftermarket for the new BRZ. Once it comes out, it's gonna be huge. I said the release date for the new BRZ is gonna be around October of 2021. So that's almost a year away. I'm thinking of getting a project car to have on the channel in the meantime until the BRZ comes out. And I'm thinking of what to get, and I have a couple ideas, but I want to keep that a secret for right now until it's time to purchase the project car. I know I'm talking a lot in this video, but I just wanted to keep you guys updated with what's going on and to let you guys know that I'm back and I'll be making consistent content again. Alright guys, so what I'll do now is finish this video off with a couple accelerations and we'll close it out there. So right now I do not have the pop tune on. So right now I have my stage 2 tune, unequal length header, and I do have E85 in the car right now. You can tell when I accelerate, you don't get that rumble because of the leak in my header. It sounds completely different. So I'll rev it out a little bit, you can hear it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. I know not much happened in this video and I did talk a lot, but I wanted to keep you guys updated with what's going on in my life and what the plans are for this channel. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new What do you guys think of my BRZ right now? And what you guys think of the new 2022 BRZ? If you guys like it, don't like it, please leave a comment down below. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.